Relentless political pressure from the opposition, the Pakistan government has hit back at the PDM. The ruling Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has rejected the opposition's ultimatum to Imran Khan to resign by the 31st of January. Addressing the media, Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that neither the Prime Minister will step down nor will the Assembly be dissolved.
एक लाहौर डिक्लेरेशन सामने आया। लाहौर डिक्लेरेशन में बहुत सी बातें की गई, अल्टीमेटम्स का भी जिक्र किया। क्या कहा कि हम ये अल्टीमेटम देते हैं कि 31 जनवरी तक वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान मुस्तफी हो जाए। क्यों भाई, क्यों हो जाए? वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान इमरान खान साहब या इस हुकूमत के पास एक अवाम का मैंडेट है। 1,70,00,000 वोट पड़ा है उनकी जमात को। लोगों ने बल्ले के निशान पर मोहर लगाई है। पोलिंग स्टेशन के सामने कतारें थी। तो आपके कहने पर वो मुस्तफी हो जाए? क्यों?
Qureshi called the opposition's terms undemocratic, immoral and unconstitutional. He said that the opposition lawmakers' threat to submit their resignations is a mere pressure tactic.
का इत्तफाक है इस्तीफों पर और आप वाकईतन संजीदा है, तो फिर 31 तारीख को आपने कहा ना 31 तारीख तक इस्तीफे जमा करवा दिए जाएंगे। तो अगर आप संजीदा हैं तो फिर 31 तारीख को आपके इस्तीफे स्पीकर के पास पहुंचने चाहिए, ना कि क़यादतों के पास। क़यादत के पास इस्तीफा पहुंचाना तो ये एक दिखावा है, तिफल तसल्ली है। और जो पुख्ता सियासी कारकुन है उस चीज को समझता है कि ये एक प्रेशर टैक्टिक है, एक टाइम गेनिंग एक्टिविटी है और कुछ नहीं है, इसमें संजीदगी नहीं है।
The opposition players held a key meeting this Monday. Talking to the reporters after the meeting, PDM chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman threatened Prime Minister Khan to either resign or be ready to face a mega protest after the 31st of January. And to this, Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that there was no unity in the opposition and that the PDM itself is divided over the Long March.
लॉन्ग मार्च पर भी अभी तक पीडीएम में इत्तेफाक नहीं है। मैं क्यों कह रहा हूं? मैं इसलिए अर्ज कर रहा हूं कि आज भी जो उन्होंने जो अपने रैली के बाद जो नशिस्त हुई लाहौर में गालिबन जाती उमरा पर, उस पे कहा गया कि 1 फरवरी को, आज क्या है 15 दिसंबर, 1 फरवरी को पीडीएम का इजलास बुलाया जाएगा और उसमें तबादला ख्याल के बाद फैसला किया जाएगा और तारीख दी जाएगी। यानी कि अबहाम है। और इससे जो तो की इश्यूज हैं इस पे वजाहत हो गई कि ना इस्तीफों पर इत्तफाक है, ना लॉन्ग मार्च पर अभी यकसुई है।
The People's Democratic Movement, an alliance of 11 opposition parties, held its 6th Power Show rally on the 13th of December. Former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, addressed the rally via a video link where he lashed out at the armed forces for interfering in the country's political matters. He also called Imran Khan a puppet leader who follows the instructions of his generals with his eyes shut. Sharif's claims were rebutted by Khan, who called the rallies utterly callous in nature, given the grim COVID-19 situation in Pakistan. We're being joined by our reporter Anas Malik from Islamabad for more on this. Anas, good evening to you. Now, the ruling party has hit back at the opposition, rejecting this ultimatum to Imran Khan to resign. Qureshi calling the opposition's terms undemocratic, immoral, unconstitutional, and also said that the PDM itself is divided. Will you take us through the latest in this political tussle?
Well, absolutely. The government has rejected the demands of the Pakistan Democratic Movement that were put forward on the 14th of December, on Monday, in form of its Lahore declaration. First, they were rejected by the new Interior Minister, Sheikh Rashid Ahmed. He said that the government is not going anywhere. In fact, he welcomed the protesters and the organizers of this supposed long march that is to be held, the forthcoming long march that is to be held, and they said that they should not wait until the 1st of February and that they should immediately march to Islamabad. In fact, the government will facilitate these protesters in accordance with the constitution and law, as per law, as whatever the provisions are there. Now, yesterday, the Pakistani Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, in fact, day before yesterday, on Tuesday, he was addressing a press conference and he said that the government has rejected the demand. In fact, he called out on the PDM leadership that their strategy to submit resignations by the 31st of December to the respective parliamentary leadership should be changed, and that they should be submitting the resignations to the Speaker of the Assembly instead, so that it could be a reflection of how serious they are to derail the system. Because remember, the PDM has called for an immediate resignation of the Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and has called for quote-unquote fresh elections to be held, which would quote-unquote be a true representation of people's mandate. This is what the PDM has been claiming, but the government by and large has rejected this demand. They've said that that Imran Khan is not going to step down. They've said that they are going to take a confrontational approach, and that the demand of PDM leadership is immoral and unconstitutional, that the PDM leadership should respect the sanctity of the vote, because quote-unquote Imran Khan is a popular Prime Minister and he was elected by the people of Pakistan. This is what the government has been maintaining, and they have outrightly rejected PDM's demand for the resignation of Imran Khan to step down by the 31st of January. Yes, Alison.
Anas, thank you very much for bringing us all the latest there. Our Pakistan Bureau Chief coming to us live from Islamabad.